Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. This video is about really funny French words and the funny way we translate some words that are fairly straightforward in English. Let's take a look. First, toes. In French, toes is doigts de pied, which translates as fingers of the feet. Fairly straightforward, it's just really funny. Calf, as in on your leg, is le mollet, which actually means squishy in French. A bat is une chauve-souris, and it translates as a bored mouse. And it's funny how we just call it that without even thinking what it actually means, literally. Of course, you know your numbers, you know how temperamental they are in French. So 90 is 99, which in effect means 4, 20, 10, 9. So there you go, mental maths. Every time you want to count in French, you have to do that. A potato is une pomme de terre, which actually means apple from the ground. The funniest one is the next one. When they're cooked with their skin on, potatoes are called pommes de terre en robe de chambre, which is apples of the ground in bedroom dress. And of course, if you sneeze, here you say bless you. In France, people say to you à tes souhaits, which actually means to your wishes. A shower head, weirdly enough, is called une pomme de douche, and it translates as apple of the shower. Apple because it's something vaguely round, therefore apple will do, I suppose. And then, of course, if you have an affair, and this is something I quite like with French, it's une aventure, as in an adventure. If you wear a dotted shirt, or a shirt with dots on it, it's une chemise à pois, which is a shirt with peas, because it's the same word. One of my favourites is the apple pie, which we call chausson aux pommes. It's not quite the same thing as a British apple pie, but that's the French equivalent. It's a bit like a pain au chocolat, but instead of chocolate, you have apple sauce in it. And it actually means apple slipper, as in the slippers you put on your feet. Of course, the best one I left for last, because when you go to a stag do, and I'm always asked that question, how do you say a stag do? And I'm thinking, oh my God, that's going to take an age. Enterrement de vie de garçon, because what we are actually saying in French is the burial of your young boy's life. And if it's a girl, it's enterrement de vie de jeune fille, so the burial of your single girl's life, if you like. So that's just to show you how different things are in French and English. And that's only a small sample. There's way more words and expressions that are equally funny, but there's just no room to talk about them here. I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a like if you did, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!